Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel Singh Amit Official. Today we have to discuss about the class 12th chemistry. Class 12th chemistry. And our continuing chapter is D and F block elements. That means this chapter is most important for us in terms of organic chemistry of class 12 in the term of the CBSE session 2021-22. That is the formation of D and F block element is only single inorganic chemistry part, and the chapter is D and F. In previous section of video, we have to discuss about some important compound, that is green vitriol ferrous sulfate. We have to discuss about the compound that is ferrous sulfate. This is also called green vitriol. That is FeSO4 is this. Today we have to discuss about its property. In previous section of video, we have to discuss about the first property of this green vitriol, that is the formation of that is green vitriol in terms of the action of it, how you can decompose the FeSO4 with the help of heat, how much heat is required for its decomposition. This all are studied by us in previous section of video. In today's section of video, we have to discuss about the another one in terms of acidic property. That means in terms of acidic properties, how can you elaborate and collaborate the formation of this FeSO4? That means is there aqueous solution is acidic in terms? That means we have to write that generally the compound ferrous sulfate is prepared with the reaction of single displacement with acid like sulfuric acid. Due to its bonding behavior, it taints the properties of acidic as a slightly way in aqueous term. That means in the formation of aqueous term, it pauses the behavior of acidity. It reacts the activity with the process of hydrolysis. That means in the action of the process of hydrolysis, guys, you can see the behavior of this ferrous sulfate in terms of acidic manner That means in terms of the bonding behavior, you can easily know that in the previous section of video we have to discuss that this the compound ferrous sulfate is obtained from an acidic term in the way of single displacement Fe plus combination of sulfuric acid of H2SO4, in which the sulfate combined with the hydrogen, that is less reactive than iron. In terms of the combination, single displacement reaction takes place and hydrogen is displaced by iron. Due to this also it acts as acidic manner, and due to the process of hydrolysis, aqueous way of FeSO4 is also act as a acidic character. That means we have to discuss about the reaction here. If you have to their basic property way, that means the formation is reaction in takes place is FeSO4 plus H2O, it having to form FeOH whole twice plus H2SO4 is this. That means this is your weak base and this is your strong acid. That means for the this is the process of hydrolysis here, hydrolysis. That means the formation of hydrolysis, it acts as the combining after changing such a anions cation formation in their mutual sharing of ions. It behave of forming the compound of weak base of ferrous hydroxide and another one is sulfuric acid. For in terms of the synopsis, you have to write in the process of hydrolysis, the reactant ferrous sulfate is combined with water. After completing reactant, the product is formed in a way of weak base and strong acid. This possesses the acidic behavior of this compound. That means this is the formation when this ferrous sulfate is combined for the process of hydrolysis with the combination of water. After completing result, you can form the scenario of the weak base and the strong acid. Weak base change to your ferrous hydroxide, and another one your strong acid is sulfuric acid, and you can completely know the merging formation. This is used for the preparation after combining this is releaser here. That means this is the complete concept, guys. So you have to just note the concept, you have to learn the concept, never try to remember the things, because remembered thing is forgotten very easily. But you have to know the every concept for this reaction. That means this heated your brain every time. You can completely write the reaction, you can completely write the synopsis after learning, after understanding the concept of mechanism of the reaction. So guys, take a note of it. After that we have to discuss about the another one meaning here. Okay, I will erase it. Okay, now we have to discuss about the another one property, that means this compound ferrous sulfate is also used in terms of reducing the gold from gold chloride. This reaction is change the property of extraction of gold with their chloride with reducing character. That means the compound, this is ferrous sulfate, is also used for the extraction of gold with their gold chloride. When gold chloride is combined with the formation, when you have to combine this gold chloride with ferrous sulfate, there is reduction take place, and this is the separated the terms of this gold chloride to the gold, and this chloride is combined with the iron, that is the formation of your ferrous chloride here. That means for this reaction you have to write the reaction here. This is AuCl3 is combined with FeSO4. As a resultant, you can see that Au plus Fe2SO4 whole thrice plus FeCl3 is this. That means the extraction of gold is here, extraction of gold. The gold is separate out from the chloride manner, and this get combined with substituted part of iron. That when the separation takes place, your gold gets separated and this iron combined with the chloride, ferrous chloride is obtained here. This is your ferrous sulfate, ferric sulfate, and this is ferrous sulfate, this is gold chloride. That means the reaction of scenario is only from this. That means you can write the scenario here and you can discuss the process of synopsis. What can get happen after completing this reaction? What are the changes you can see for this formation, guys? So now you have to take a screenshot. After that we have to discuss about the uses of this ferrous sulfate. That means this ferrous sulfate is also used as insecticide. This is also used at the manufacturing of black and blue ink. This is also used as germicides also. This is also used for the laboratory agent in the chemistry lab, and this is used as the moderator in terms of the manufacturing of many more things. That means before discussing these all the uses of this, we have to take a note of this. So take a screenshot, guys. In the formation of this, you have to write the uses here. Uses here. It is used for making black and blue paint and dye. Second one, it is used as insecticide in agricultural field. Third one is, it is used as laboratory agents in labs. That means these all are the significant role for this. That means we have discussed this. After that, from next class we have to discuss about the another one compound. That means after 2 or 3 classes this chapter is going to be in. After that we have to discuss the next one chapter of organic chemistry, that is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. This is the term. With the help of this we have to complete every syllabus of class 12 chemistry. This is very important for us. So guys, be prepared for this. You have to complete the notes and you can revise daily for this. And after that we have to discussing about many more questions about this chapter. So take a note, guys.